Hello guys and welcome back. In this video we'll see Coursive.io review. Coursive.io is an online learning platform designed to help instructors create, manage and sell their courses. It offers tools for creating engaging content, managing student enrollment and handling payments seamlessly. With a focus of simplicity and functionality, it's positioned as a competitor for platforms like Teachable and Thinkific. The platform is intuitive and easy to navigate for both instructors and students. Instructors can personalize course pages to reflect their branding, adding a professional touch. Coursive.io supports multiple payment gateways, enabling smooth transaction for learners worldwide. It is both instructors and students can access the platform on mobile devices without compromising functionality. While it covers the basics, advanced marketing features like email automation and affiliate marketing are somehow limited compared to competitors. The platform supports fewer external integrations, which might be a drawback for instructors using specialized tools. Some users report slower response time for customer support during peak hours. It is ideal for those who's looking for a straightforward platform to get started with online teaching. Instructors or companies aiming to monetize educational content without complex setup. So, Coursive.io is a solid choice for course creators seeking an easy-to-use and affordable platform. While it lacks some advanced features, it provides a strong foundation for launching and managing online courses. For creators who prioritize simplicity and cost-effectiveness, it is worth exploring. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.